Alright, took a 2-3 minute break here. Back underneath this fucking car with a lawnmower fucking filter. Set up the phone. Right here, hopefully stays. See if I loosen it up where I can just grab it from the end here. I think so. Kind of, not really, kind of, yeah, kind of. So if it crushes the end, I don't care. Still got the base that I can grab onto it like I was earlier. Are you fucking kidding me? What were they thinking? Fucking cucks. That's what they are. A bunch of fucking cuckolds. Yeah, it's just starting to loosen up even more there. Fuck me. Silly. Fuck me. Running. Fuck me. Until you're out of fucks to give. Oh shit, she's so tight. Can't even do it by hand. I think we might be able to do it there. Oh, fuck you. Fuck. Alright. Mr. fucking Valvoline. Go suck up Valvoline. Oh, man. So, there we go. That was fun. Alright, we're gonna go compare sizes of these fucking oil filters next to each other now. Well, that drains a little bit. Drip, drip, drip. Oh, yeah. Piece of shit. Alright. Ah, fuck. So, this is the oil filter bar number that it takes, 51085. Pretty much all different types of filters with a very similar number for the Mitsubishi Eclipse for this vehicle. Now let's put the things side by side. Yep. What were they thinking? Shit. Fuck. Fucking lawnmower fucking filter next to a car filter. Pieces of shit. So now we're gonna put this on. Already lubed up the gasket for the seal or whatever you want to call it. And I'm gonna need this here. Alright. Nathan, can I get a napkin? Thanks, Bubba. Just one little one. Alright. A little wipe, a little clean. Sure there's a little crap in there. Make it leak later. And just spin it on. Here you go, hand tight. Fucking simple. Yep, she's good. Fuck you guys over. Fuck you, Lean. Let's see what fucking piece of shit size this was. V fucking, I think 02. Fuck you. Oil filter should say lawnmower filter.